I'm Philip Gross. I'm the Regional Lead for Large Molecule for Europe. My role is to manage the European manufacturing sites for large molecule to make sure we can supply our products reliably to our customers around the world. We should be really proud because as a company we've been working on sustainability well before it became a current topic of interest, and we've always had very robust energy targets and managed our materials and our waste very responsibly. Packaging is important for sustainability because overall globally we supply over 100 billion doses of vaccine, and each dose needs to get to the customer safely and protected. To make that packaging more sustainable, we've got several programs running. So we're moving towards recycled board for all our secondary packaging materials, but also we've got other opportunities to significantly reduce our environmental impact. For instance, on some of our new packaging lines, we're going to much smaller pack sizes, which means that we can get the same doses to the customer using less materials. It uses less energy in storage, particularly for cold chain materials, and it uses a lot less energy and fuel in terms of distribution to get to the customer as well. So a threefold improvement just from making a pack size smaller. Sustainability is very important for water consumption because with the climate change we're seeing increasing pressure on water supply around the world. All of our sites are trying to reduce their water consumption and have got programs running. Another significant example of water consumption reduction is when we make a vaccine we have to use very highly purified water to formulate the finished product, and that actually uses a lot of water to make it that clean. And with the change in the regulations recently, we've been able to change our processes so that now we can reduce the amount of water we need to get to that final purified vaccine. So a big reduction in our overall consumption again. As we upgrade our facilities, we're replacing a lot of our boilers with high efficiency boilers, which reduce our emissions significantly. And also, where possible, we're using heat pumps, which then use green energy to replace our heat sources. Zero waste to landfill is another one of our objectives. As you manufacture a product, there's always some waste materials, and our target is to make sure none of that goes to landfill. And I'm very pleased to say that already many of our sites have reached that objective, and we're working hard at the other sites to get there as well. So hopefully you've seen we've got lots of really good things running currently across manufacturing. We've also got great future opportunities to continue to reduce our environmental impact.